Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the part 1 of the world's most powerful free PDF tools. So let's get started. Here I'm going to open the web browser. The website address is www.pdfill.com and you can hit the enter key. And here we have the website, and here we have a different softwares and tools available on the left side. And here I'm going to click on the download, and here we have three versions: enterprise, professional, and free basic version. Here we are going to use this free basic version, so I'm going to come down, and here we have the download now button. So I click on here. Now here we have the download button. I'm going to click here. Now the software is being downloaded. Here I have the software. I'm going to double click to install, and we are going to click here next and accept the terms in the license agreement, and click next. Here you have to select the products that you want to install. Here I want to install all three products, and the first one is a basic editor, the second one is PDF tools, and the third one is image writer with a no watermark. So we are going to click next. In this wizard, we can select the path that this particular software is going to be installed, and here we can change the following installation options. The first one, we have a create PDF button inside Microsoft Office, and here we have two check boxes, and the first one is before 2013 and the next one is 2013 and after. So I want to have this checkbox check in because I want to convert my document, workbook, and other PowerPoint presentation into PDF files. So I need to have this checkbox in. And the next one is a create PDF button into Microsoft Internet Explorer. So I don't want to have this one. So if you want to convert your web files into PDF files, so you can have this one. And here we have a create PDF buttons into quick launch and send to features. So I don't want this one as well. The last one is create a PDF file folder under my document. So let's leave as it is. So I'm going to click on the next button, and here almost complete, and we can click install to begin the installation. So we click install button to install the software, and the software is being installed. So done. So we click finish button to close this dialog box. So here you can see three products. The first one is PDF editor, next one is PDF tools, and the last one is PDF writer. So I'm going to open the second one, PDF tools. Double click and open, and here you can see the interface. Here the title bar says PDF tools 15-point version and free and no watermark. So you can use as free, and there won't be no watermark in your final outcome product, so outcome files. And here we have menus and files and tools menus, and in the tools we have 15 tools, and all 15 tools are available on this screen as well. And button format also we have, and the menu format also we have, and we can access in the same way. And the first one is merge PDF files. If we have multiple files, or if we have more than one PDF files, we can merge them into one file. The next one is split or reorder files. If we have a PDF file, we can split it into a different or number of pages. We can have two PDF files from one PDF file. So we can split it into a number of pages or number of PDF files, and also we can rearrange them. So we can reorder the pages, or from third to one or one to third, something like that. We can do it. So I'm going to click on the second button, split or reorder pages, and here we have a dialog box, and I'm going to open this PDF file, Windows 10 PDF file. I'm going to open this one, and once you click open, you will have this dialog box. In this dialog box, we have the message: there are 8 pages in Windows 8 training guide print. So that is a file name of PDF file. So here you have to give the range from which page to which page you want to extract. So here we have altogether we have 8 pages. So let's say from 1 to 4 I want to have a PDF file. From 5 to 8 we can have another PDF files. so we don't need to reorder. So here we can leave as it is, and we can click here save as. So we're going to give as Windows 10, let's say part 1. That's fine. So we'll give save button to save this PDF file from 1 to 4. So here we have the output, and here altogether we have 4 pages. Okay, so from 8 pages we have extracted 4 pages, so that's fine. And if you want to save other pages in a separate file, you can give like this 5 to 8, then you can give save as. I'm going to give this 1, I'm going to replace this number 2 and save. And here we have a second file from page number 5th, and here according to this one page 4, and here we have another 4 pages, and we'll come down and see this last page. So like that we can separate a single PDF file into number of documents or number of PDF files. Going to close this one, and now we'll move to the first one, merge PDF files. Now we have 2 files, part 1 and part 2. Now I'm going to merge these 2 files. So we'll click on this button, and here we have to add this PDF file, or else what you can do, here we have a folder, you can double click here to open this folder. Here you can see a part 1 and part 2. I'm going to select these 2 files, going to drag and drop nicely. Wow, here you can see the files 1 and 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this part 1 PDF files, and I'm going to click on this move up, so it will be in order. So part 1 and part 2, and finally you can click on this save as button. I'm going to give a name Win Full, FULL, and you can click save, and you can wait for the output. And here we have, here you can see 8 pages, and so now we have merged 2 files into 1 file. So like this we can do several commands. We can close this button, and we can use this software as free, and there won't be any watermark in your final product. Now we have seen the files outcomes, and we can use this software for many purposes. That's all in the part 1 video. In part 2 we can discuss how we can convert PDF into images and images into PDF. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next video.